Hi, good morning. So for Sahur today, I am making scrambled eggs, which is one of my favorite type of eggs to have. And I've heated my pan for my roti. So I like to toast my bread, my roti on the pan, just with a little bit of butter. I like it crispy and not dry. Like if you grill it on a pan, it won't be dry like if you were to put it in a toaster. So one more. You can use whatever bread. I ran out of my white bread, so I have this in the freezer. Just my whole grain bread. Okay, so you want to turn up the heat a little bit so that it gets crispy and golden brown. This normally takes about just slightly more than a minute. Okay, so this is done. It's crispy on the outside and still soft on the inside. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this on a plate. And then we're gonna make our scrambled eggs. Okay, so now we're making our scrambled eggs. So it's really easy and super quick. I'm using the low ayam kampung or free range eggs. And I'm just gonna crack it into a small pot. And I'm using 3. If you're using the jumbo eggs, 2 is enough. So this is basically to get a really soft, creamy scrambled eggs. I love my scrambled eggs really creamy. It's more like a thick custard sort of, like not really like scrambled like dry and stuff. I don't like that. We're not going to switch off the heat yet. We're going to pour a little bit of cream, about 2 tablespoons, and then put a dollop of butter, whole butter. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, so we're just going to do everything together, okay? And I'm going to be a little bit fancy and put a few drops of truffle oil. Truffle is love. And then just season my eggs. A little bit of salt. And some pepper. And then only turn on the heat. So the butter is going to melt and it's going to make the eggs super rich. I just woke up. I'm still so sleepy. Okay. So right now the heat is on high, but I'm just going to stir everything, and then I am slowly going to turn down the heat. And at the same time, I'm just going to keep on scraping the sides of my pot. Okay, now I'm going to turn down, oh dear, now I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit. Okay, it's okay, it's still. So once you feel like it's sticking to the bottom of the pot, you want to turn down the heat. So this is just going to take about 2 minutes. See, it's starting to cook on the sides. So you just want to constantly scrape it. So you really kind of need like a good rubber spatula so that you won't, you know, ruin your pot. Especially I'm using a non-stick pot. Okay, so now it's cooking quite fast. So I'm just going to turn down the heat a little bit and just keep on scraping the sides. You can see it's starting to form like little ribbons. Okay. Oh dear. Okay, I'm going to turn up the heat again. I want it to cook some more. This is because if the heat is constantly high, it's just going to cook the eggs really quickly, and by the time you realize it, it's already overcooked. Like right now, you see? Okay, so you want to turn down the heat again now. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, this is almost done. So you just want to switch off and just keep on stirring. Ooh, look at that. That's really good. Okay, so now we're gonna put it on our bread. Oh, look at our beautiful eggs. Oh, that's what you want. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more pepper. Some chopped chives. And some Parmesan. And that's my scrambled eggs.